What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can make your Facebook account private. So let's start this video by launching the Facebook app. When the app is fully launched, tap on the three bars on bottom right corner. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy and then tap on Settings. Now scroll down to the Privacy section and then tap on Privacy Settings. Scroll down a little bit. Under your activity section, you have to set all of these privacy settings to only me, as well as the options of how people can find and contact you. Now tap on who can see your post. Then tap on more and select only me and then tap save. Then you have to limit who can see your past post. Now tap on limit past post. Then tap on the next option and select only me and then go back. Now scroll down and tap on who can send you friend request. Now select friends of friends. Then go back. Now tap on the next option. Select only me just like before and then go back. Then tap on the next option. Select only me and go back. Just like that, you have to set all the options to only me and disable permissions of other search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile. And that is how you can make your Facebook profile private. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.